Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah.
Right about now, we're taking some shots. Y'all know already. I was there chilling, getting some nice brew for y'all of the area where we at. And we just going on a little drive, a little photo shoot. Get some dope shots, some good dope content for the independence there, ST.LUCIA independence around the way. Hopefully I get that vlog out to you before, independence. Take.
Doing?
That's a vlog.
Oh shit, we vlogging? Wait, hold on. Y'all didn't tell me that. Y'all didn't tell me that part. Hold on, let me get ready to get vlog mode now. Alright, vibes. We on? We rolling?
Yeah.
Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yo, what's up, ST.LUCIA? It's Sir Lancelot, aka Make the People Dance a Lot. We on a road trip here. A team of creatives. We decided to come together to do something really, really dope and special in commemoration of our 46 years of independence. I don't know why Sean chose to fly the thing and make noise while I give him such a nice speech, but but that's what it is, man. So it's real good vibes, good people in a great nation, and we really hope that what we put together, y'all get a chance to view and enjoy.
Sometimes it's just really they sad. I make sure I just let my light shine more. Anytime when they feel like this song, I remind myself about this time. Big jam, we jamming now. Should we look for happiness?
I'm just gonna pull back with some more in the flag.
We don't go that way now. Say we go feel amazing. Say we go feel okay, I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget them. I get the shy, I get the drink up. If you got mine, I make me link up.
ST.LUCIA, we love. Boy, no, what even stronger is this stick?
I swear. You don't know what's happened.
Boy. Shot. Only move in the shot. Yeah, we'll be in the shot.
What shot you going for?
Like just a pull back and a rotation.
Okay.
Whichever one I go.
Okay.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cup saying shy.
Alright, so now people, we made our way to the viewpoint. We get some shots. I get some B-roll of the area. The little crops, the little thing. But right about now, it's not as packed as it normally is because we usually kind of lit. Usually, so not hold us back. Sean already. Sean always holding for us back. Sean taking how long. But it's all in the process. It's all in the process.
Yeah, you have patience.
Yeah, it's patience. Patience is the
That's the process, know that we are trusting it though.
Yeah.
Only some silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing either.
I think after school. Yeah man, proper. Yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
I get the shy, I get the drink up. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party.
It's one thing I get at June.
Take some back there, but there, organization not it. Organization not it. So now, how much pounds you see about this? Huh?
Huh?
How much pounds you say about your bag out?
That's it.
I know, so we'll check out that way too.
15 pounds?
15? Yeah, accurate. 15? Ah, I'll be 15.
Like 10?
Nah, that probably like a 20, 30? 20 pounds? No.
Probably. Yeah.
Like we did feel okay, like we not go that way now. Say we go feel amazing, say we go feel okay, I know everybody got things on their mind now. like this.
Don't get that butter. Don't get that butter. Paul, please don't get that butter.
Paul trying to expose you there.
That's what I'm going on there.
You know, the vlog have to get all that. Today, Sean, I burn.
No, it has never burned. The day with Jordan, I was sweating a lot. That not burned. You just tell me my bag is 25 pounds.
Up to Ted Paul. That's where we're going to get the epic shot. It's going to be like a dolly zoom with the drone. It coming up, then we see no eyes, put it in for you to see.
If home is where the heart is, where does your heart belong? Right here. Let her beauty inspire you.
We make our way up. It wasn't a long hike. If you ever been to the pole, it's like a nice little calm hike. And then you could bring a little lady there or sunshine, you know. It's just nice, relaxing, you know. You know how it is. Sean bring out the big boy there for them heavy wind.
Oh, the heavy wind. I still feel like I will take the FPV shot.
January the 18th. January.
The wind a big wind. Lava.
Oh yeah. Watch your step there, boy.
Oh shit. My bad. We good?
Go.
Okay.
We have our talent there.
What's up, y'all? The things we do for views.
DJ.
The things we do for views. We really hope that y'all appreciate this, man. Because, I mean, we trying to get your view of this amazing view. So, please enjoy the view. So what I did there?
And then, you know.
Okay, I'll just roll play right now. I'll just do it. So come on, Edo, follow you. Alright?
You don't have to hide it. Oh. I just hide it. So everybody come in except for...
Paul say you have to turn up for his shot.
Okay, stay as you are, Sean. I'll just walk.
I think for yours I might do the FPV and just take a dive.
Take a dive?
Like so, I come in the FPV so, and then I just go in and
Oh,
town. That will be a sick shot.
dance for you to get hot.
Cashews, man, you check.
Because they try to make us feel ashamed about it.
Yes, sir.
Not me, I speak in my Creole, huh?
Yeah. That's a long mama, that's a pali long
You
mama.
have to go as fast as possible.
Everywhere
because-
I speak my,
Yeah, as fast as possible.
my Creole.
Because I link in your hair and then I go in across. So you need to be on that by the time I go across.
And we have 7 minutes left.
Yeah, 7 minutes, sir. The time's getting dark there.
So, let's do it.
I was rudely interrupted the camera thing, but it was nice. We get the shots we had to. Lovely view. But I just want to say happy independence to everybody that watching this video. If you're St. Lucia, you know, take pride in your flag. Make sure you rep your flag. You know.
Those kind of shots where we don't really go on a paid job, we just get out there and just do something creative. It doesn't have to be a paid job, and I think when I do those stuff, it does get me hyped for the creative aspect of my work, you know. So just my tip for you guys, when you're feeling like burnout from how much work, just take a walk out, just go and capture something new. It doesn't have to be a paid project, just free up your mind, you know. But you know how it's there already. Lvmi Cloud out.